Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Don't come for me, but that's okay.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really to throw you out.
And now I don't got my shit together, but I wanted to do a IKEA haul, and I just been doing the most lately, so I haven't had a chance to do it. But I want to hurry up and use my shit, so we're gonna do the haul now. I did already use one thing, and it's like this mop with different heads. It comes with different attachments, and this is one of them. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. Very necessary, very much needed. Get one. I might go get another one. I ain't even gonna hold you. It came with this, and two other extenders. And then I also brought extra pads. These are perfect because while you're mopping, you can rinse it, squeeze it, put it back on, replace it, and also put these in the washing machine. So that is why I do like. I did have the Dollar Tree one. They also have, but it doesn't come with multiple, with different these. It's just like flat, matte, and it worked for a while. I definitely did use that. But then I seen this one at IKEA, and I was like, give me
spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? So I got that. I got a couple of these
I'm trying to be cool,
expensive,
but goddamn.
for Preston to replace his hangers in his closet. I did get a couple of these. I think they were like super cheap too. I mean, they are plastic, but whatever. So that's that. I did get these cute gold pillows. They're 26 by 26 inches. They're decorative pillows for $1. So yeah, perfect for summertime. Nice color. I got some extension cords, which I need for this area that I'm going to be doing a whole makeover. So not too much on the mess back there. I'm still decorating my area, which is like my office space and whatnot. So we're still working on it. So extension cords. These, like, I don't know, I'll put all the prices, but I think these are like $2.99 or $3.99, and it comes with 4. These are like kitchen hand cloths. I got 2, as you can see. Same pattern. I don't give a shit. And then I did get these 2. Although this one comes with 6. I think these are a little smaller. Let's see what they look like. I had these already before, so I'm gonna throw out the old ones because they're stained up and replace them. And these look, oh, these are smaller. It comes with 6. They're just perfect, like washing dishes, you know, dry your hands. I got some sets, forks. Comes with a big ass spoon, a small spoon, forks, and knives. I mainly got it because of the fork. I like the fork size, so I mainly got it for those. Another case that I found in the clearance section. This one was for $2.99. It's a nice color, a nice beige color. I'm gonna wash everything because I always wash everything before I use it, but I think it'll go cute with this. A nice decorative. This is a duvet cover. It's you put your duvet cover, and it comes with 2 pillowcases. I got like 6 pillows on my bed because when I make my bed up, I just like it to look nice and full and like. So I did get another set, which is so weird because I already have this color, but it's okay because I feel like it looks a little faded. So whatever. What I don't get is why they only give 2 pillowcases. Like, grown-ass queen-size bed with 2 pillowcases, 2 pillows. It's kind of crazy. But it comes with the fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. I'll put the price up here, too. I don't remember. I think that was on sale. Then I got Preston this cute baby blue for the summer. I like, because my apartment is small, I like putting bright colors. So I like having like light blue, yellow, gold, white. I like to do white, but you know, I don't always leave white sheets. But I feel like when you have light colors on your bed, it makes your room feel bigger. So that's why I like light colors. But this is Preston's. It comes, again, I don't know why it comes with 1 pillowcase. Like, I get that they young, but who sleeps with 1 pillowcase? Like, anyways, it comes with a flash sheet. Comes with a flash sheet, a fitted sheet, and 1 pillowcase. I love this color. I got this color on my bed right now, actually. And then I got him a duvet cover. And it comes with 2 pillowcases. And the only reason why it does, because it's a queen full, whatever that means. Now, these are the best wash rags. They're not for your body, they're for cleaning, but I like that it has this rib. So I use these to clean like the grease off the cabinets and stuff. It really gets it off. Also, the mop, I'm going to go grab it. I'm going to get up and grab it. The mop has like a replacement where it's like a little tiny sponge, and it's this. So it has these grips. I used it to clean the walls. Amazing. Because I'm the person that's getting up on Saturday and scrubbing the walls. I'm telling you, clean your walls. It makes a difference. You think your walls ain't dirty? Your walls are dirty. I don't even think I have a 50 by 50. Let's see how big this is. I don't know why I thought it would fit the 26 by 26, but apparently it's a 50 by 50 pillowcase. $1. So I got 2 because I usually put on my bench or my bed, and this matches a set that I have, so I grabbed them. I don't know if I have pillows for them because I don't think, let's see. So these are the pillows I have right now. Does this fit? Oh, it may fit, like, it might be a little baggy. I think it's gonna fit a little baggy. Baggy panties. Maybe fake. We'll see. If anything, because I'm not letting nothing go to waste. If anything, I will stuff it with some stuffing that I got. Or I'll probably take it in on the sides of my sewing machine. Probably just sew it. Not that side, but I'll just tighten it. Turn it inside out, sew it, and it'll fit tighter. It's a cute color though. I like light colors. Light colors. Oh, let me show y'all the replacement because I got 10 minutes and it's about to be out. I'm gonna put a picture of the pad. Bam! Here she is. These are the other. So this goes on this way. This is a scrubber. See? Good. Bam. Look. Pull this sucker off. Mop. Bam. In your bathtub. Boom. Long. Short. For the short kings. I might get another one. I ain't even gonna hold you. That's all the stuff that I got from IKEA, along with some IKEA bags. I am gonna go back because I want to let me take off these socks. Whew, top of my foot was itching. Like, that shit is the worst. Because once it start itching and don't stop, like literally the top of your foot. Y'all ever felt that? Top of my foot itching down bad. So yeah, I am gonna go back because I want to replace the towels, my towels and washcloths that I got. But yeah, that day I was rushing because I wasn't really supposed to go there anyways. I was just going because it was in the area and I was wasting time. Before I was gonna go meet one of my homegirls. So I went there and was just buying shit that I needed to buy. So yeah. So I am going to wash all of this now that I made the video. And I'm gonna wash everything and then put it in its designated areas. My next haul, I am going to start posting more. I promise. I'm definitely gonna start posting more, especially on YouTube, especially on the Tubi, the YouTubey. I got a hair in my eye. I have a H&M haul that I want to do. Okay, no B Simone over here. Your girl do be in H&M. So I got a little H&M haul I want to do. And then I have a fashion show coming up that I want to blog for. I want to blog the process. It's my very first fashion show. So be sure to add me on Instagram. But I think I'm going to put majority. Like, isn't that cute for the kitchen? Little dish rag or whatever. I usually use it for the dishes or whenever I'm like, because whenever I'm in the kitchen, I wash my hands a lot. Like, so I'm always drying my hands and cleaning the counter. Drying my hands and cleaning the counter. So these are cute. Polka dot one. And like I said, these are like the things that you replace every couple months, cleaned, and no matter how you wash them or whatever the case is, they're kitchen, cloths. So, like, whatever. These are not like the fancy ones that sit out that no one's supposed to use, although my man don't understand that. He'd be like, you want it to look like nobody lives here? Yes, that's exactly how I want it to look. But they don't get it. They don't understand. Like, cute is giving chef. So I got 2 of those packs. I got these. Wash these. They're like terry cloth. They're like good to clean and stuff. All that good stuff. So all of this is gonna get washed. These are cheap too. I think they're like $3. I think they're like $3. $3. So yeah, I have H&M haul I'm gonna record probably like tomorrow, and I'm gonna post that up. See, it has this side, and this is like a scrubber side, so it really works good to clean off grease and all that good stuff. So there goes that. 2 of these. So yeah, I'm gonna do an H&M haul, and then I also want to record my fashion show preparation, I guess. Like, basically, like where I come up with inspo ideas. I'm probably gonna record the process of making some of the garments. I do have to edit a video of our model casting. I do want to put that on YouTube. So yeah, it's my first fashion show ever. It's gonna be on my mom's birthday, my late mother's birthday. So yeah, I'm excited, a little nervous, but excited. So I do think that it'll be nice to record the process and I think it'll be cool. I think it'll be fun to record the process so you guys can see how it works, see my growth, my mistakes, or you know, the learning process, because it is going to be a learning curve. I have no idea what I'm doing. I did pick a few models already, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, so be sure to subscribe, add me on Instagram too. I just finished prom season, so right now I'm doing like birthday customs and customs for like all occasions. It's so funny because a lot of the things that I want to try, I've been getting, like, God has literally been bringing those people that want those kind of designs to me, so I don't have to like spend my own money doing the designs, but it's like designs that I know that I can make. But it's always nice when you have a client that wants that design, so it's not like I make the design and it just sits there. So I'm excited. And yeah, I am gonna be redecorating my studio space. Oh, for the girlies that subscribe to my channel, that left comments, that subscribe to my channel and made comments about how to add grommets, I'm gonna be doing that in a separate video. Let me know if you want a short, or let me know if you want a detailed video. You can see I didn't add mine to it. It's like on display right now in my studio area, but I'm gonna add the grommets, so I am gonna make another video for that. I did not forget y'all. So I don't know what happened to my audio here. I think it's not working. I have no idea. But I love you girls down. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming. Bye. Love you.